Mike's in the house today. Mike, what are you bringing in to us today?
Got a new product for you, Bob.
New product. What do you think here, Waters? What do you think here, Katie Waters? What do you think about this new product?
It looks great.
It looks great. Katie's really into it, but Katie's really busy what she's doing. She says she don't have time for this product nonsense. Look at her. I can see that excitement come oozing out. So what we got here, Michael?
So this is an astronomical timer.
Okay.
It's a new product for us, iTimer.
So you put everything together now.
Everything. This is
That's
an
gonna be
Alliance
sweet.
product manufactured by Alliance Outdoor Lighting.
Wow. That's going to be sweet.
So what you can do is you can run anything 15 amps or less off of this and control it via Bluetooth, control it via your device, your phone. Okay. Program it, right? This is an astronomical clock. So
everything built in.
Run by time
and with the antenna built in, which is sweet.
Correct.
Now we've been bolting on antennas and plugging them in and in the sequence of it and a whole bit of inlining. That's going to be sweet. That's going to be killer. That's going to be sweet.
So what we want you to do is go back to an existing job that has a regular
You pay for this?
multi-tap.
You pay us for this? Go back to the job?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Huh? How much you pay?
What's your rate? Go back to
Just
an existing
kidding.
job.
Okay.
Has just a multi-tap transformer.
Okay.
Plug that transformer into this, plug this in, and now control it via Bluetooth.
Sweet.
Okay.
That's going to be a nice product.
Yeah, we want you to go try it out.
I'm going to. Thank you, Mike. What else going on? Hey, what's going on with the holiday lights? Keep that there. I'm going to take this out here in a minute. Come on, let's go here. Katie can hear. We're out here screaming. I'm carrying on.
Yeah.
Look at this young lady. She's got 2 chairs. She's so busy. What's happening with holiday lights when you're in?
Yeah. It's starting to go. Again, nobody knows about it around here, but it's starting to go. Tim's having a little bit of success with one guy in particular who's doing...
Tim who?
Restaurants. You don't see Tim.
Tim who?
Tim. Aquarius Tim.
He's still around? I'm just kidding. Tim, you know I love you. I'm just kidding, Tim. I'm just kidding.
He's having some success with restaurants.
Is he? Good deal. Maybe we should tap that market.
Well, again, he's not doing necessarily like the wraps. He's doing the curtains.
I know, but I can go into Google. I can go in there and tap restaurants, local restaurants, and hit them up. So restaurant owners and hit them up with that. I can set that up. You want me to do that? How much you pay? I'm all about money today, man.
You got to pay for these hospital bills.
I got to pay hospital bills, man. I owe out millions.
Yeah, it's funny. The memory came up on Facebook today. Today is the anniversary of Lisa coming home from Hopkins from the.
That was 2 years ago? 3 years.
3.
Wow. I remember like it was yesterday.
3 years.
So that's when I was going through, getting ready to go in what I was. Hey, Bob Carr here with TLC Outdoor Lighting. Just want to show you a new path light that just came on the market this week. And as you can see in the photos, we can change this from a white LED to a blue, red, or green. If you have any questions about this fixture or anything else with your outdoor lighting system, give us a call here at the office at 410-721-2342. We used some of your 70s this week. Killer. Landscaper we work with. We did a pool job with him, in the pool guy. They loved it. Put it underneath caps. We went in and drilled everything. I love that, how the bars on top, drilled them all in. They went and capped it behind us this week. I loved it. You know, when you got the architect likes it, the landscaper likes it, the pool guy likes it, and just as important, the homeowner comes out and said, this is awesome. I'm happy I picked you guys to do my project. That's a great feeling. Huh?
Who was the architect?
I can't say. Only because he asked me not to until it's done. Yeah. Then he wants to put it all together. But we'll regroup when that comes spring, when you fire everything up. Well, we're going to fire it up now, but he's going to have it unveiling, so I'll have you with us with that. Okay? But I'll go over that with you. It can't just be on camera. He just, right now. He's got something up his sleeve with that. And he just afraid, I don't know, people get kind of weird like that sometimes. But it's all good. And he's hoping to put it all in the magazine of everything he's done for these folks in the backyard. He's tied in a pond with the pool and this and that and that. And he said, just don't be releasing stuff. You know what I mean? He said, I know what you're trying to do with your channel and all, and you're not trying to take anything away from us, but I don't want someone seeing that already until it's done. I said, okay, I get it. You know what I mean? Because if it wasn't for him, I wouldn't have got in to do the job. Right. And I'm thinking, well, what are you busting on me for? I'm just, out there showing you know, what we do for a living and how we do it. And he said, no, I get it. He said, but just wait a little bit. Then once it's done, then you can go ahead and do it. So I get that. You know, sometimes you're kind of looking at somebody like, huh? And he said, no, I'm not trying to censor anything you're doing. I just want to, you know what I mean? I don't want someone to see what I'm doing until it's done. And then you can do all through it. And I'll actually have you, Michael, whoever you want involved on your side together, and we'll do a piece. So, okay. Yeah. That'd be a good
I love
podcast.
That picture.
Huh?
I love that picture.
Oh, yeah. Well, that's why my whole point is to tell you that we've been using them. And, you know, we bought a case of them to try them, and they worked out great. So I don't know if you get feedback from them or not.
It's potted better than the old.
That's exactly what I was telling Rudy, because we're having problems with the other one. We had some issues, remember? And after we repotted them, and this thing's like you can throw this thing in a bucket of water and let's rock. Right. Actually, we did that the other day. Well, I was trying to show my guys. I said, you know, we've had some problems with salt water in different places on the bay. We threw it out, and I said, here, watch this. And they were all looking at me when I went underwater and lit. I said, come back in 8 hours, 10 hours later tonight. It was lit.
We had a picture of water.
I mean, that shows people right there, because you want your installers to have confidence in it. You know?
In Florida, after the hurricane, 3 foot of water. There's a light shining out.
There you go. But see, that's a good feeling. Not that the hurricane, but you know what I mean?
Yeah.
And you're trying to show the guys the confidence on there. Because, you know, products come out, and we're all susceptible to that. I mean, that's been going on the way before you and I were born, where manufacturers have product. You know, sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. They're trying to do their best. You know, and these things are, you got to try them out.
So that's why I want you to try this. Right?
Okay.
This isn't available yet.
Okay.
I want you to try it.
No, we'll try it.
What's wrong with it? What's good with it?
Yeah. Because, you know, you and I can think the best thing in the Alliance. Everybody, we can be sitting here in a room and say, we got the best thing. And I think that thing, I'm looking at it because you're trying to pitch it to me. I already see the things that you corrected in my mind that I know that I personally have a problem with. You got that there, right? And you think you got it there and believe you do. And maybe you do, and maybe they do. But we get it out to the guys, and one of my guys walks in and poo-poos on it. Okay, that's just a guy, right? Because he's hard and fast into the old, right? But then 3 or 4 guys come in, and then the newest guy to it at all, guy we don't think have any relevance to it, says, hey, you all forgot that. And we all look at each other going, oh, man, I didn't think about that. Or could you add that? You know what I mean? But, you know, you try it, and then you know real quick.
If you buy that, right, with the IT going away, that plus an XF transformer, a multi-pack, will be cheaper than that.
Not cheaper. Let me correct you. Less expensive. Thank you. I hate that word, cheaper.
Yeah, it'll be less expensive. But that's the gut. So once we know that's good, all right, we'll have our new transformer.
I appreciate you coming down today.
Okay.
All righty.
Give me feedback.
This is coffee and tea with Mike. Oh, we forgot the coffee and the tea. That wraps up another episode of Life of a Contractor. We'll talk to you soon. If you like this, subscribe, subscribe, and we'll talk to you in the next episode. Talk to you soon.